class, what is object, and how you can interact with the one class to the other class. Okay, then we have to now go for find out the relationship between the classes. Okay, so the relationship between the classes, that we go for it, and how you come to know the relationship is happened. So from the behavior of the classes, we come to know the relation among the classes. Okay, I just say a simple example. When you talking with your parent, when you're talking with your father, you become what you can say, like you talk with your father in more respected way. When you talk with your mother, so you become casual. When you talk with your brother, you are again casual. Talk with your friend, more casual. So the way of talking, that in which way we talk, based upon that, one person can analyze what is the relationship is present between the two person. Okay, ଯେମିତି ଆମେ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଯେତେବେଳେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହବା, ତ ସେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତାରୁ ଜଣେ ଗେସ୍ କରିପାରିବ that we are talking with our friend. When you're talking with your teacher, then you are giving a more respected thing, or in more respected way you behave. Okay, so in this session we go for how you have to design a class. We know that how to define a program, how to write a program, then the structure, how you have to define to create a class. So how do I design the class for use in my program? So it is the part that so how do I design the classes used in your program? So before you design the classes, first you need to understand what are the different type of relationship is present between the class. The class is having 4 type of relationship: composition relationship, generalization relationship, utilization relationship, and instantiation relationship. So what is that composition relationship? Composition relationship is what you can say a sugar. आमे लूण जो चीनी नो चीनी रे जब आमे पानी रे मिसे दवा, so that becomes what? A soft drinks. You mix the sugar in tea. You mix the sugar to preparing to prepare what? हाँ सुनो किसी असुविधा नहीं, theory गलत है. You mix this sugar to prepare like kheer, and for different mithai also you can use the sugar. Means sugar is one component, it is added in the variety of the food. So that is called the composition relationship. Generalization relationship is what? You can take the generalization relationship, you can say like we are coming from our parent is coming from our grandparent. Okay, so sometimes when baby is born, the people is saying that a ए पिलाटा तार माँ भली जाइछि ए पिलाटा बापा भली देखा जाउछि that means some kind of construction that child has captured, some kind of nature the child has captured, and you are also having your own capture. So if you see that you people are doing the BTech, ke BTech koruchi ke graduation koruchi, and somebody is using what some different technical courses. If you ask to your grandparent, is that technical course is available in their timing? So really, or you can say like there is not such facilities present. They're having like 2 to 3 branch, civil, mechanical. These are the branches are there. But now we have the different kind of branches, like in the BTech we have what electronics, electronical communication, telecommunication. So earlier telecommunication is not there. Okay, before studies are there, but different branches are not there. Okay, so generalization is saying that you have to copy the structure or copy the some kind of functionality from your what previous generation, and you also having your own functionality. Now most of, if you have the laptop, we are using Windows 8 or Windows 10 operating system, but earlier we have Windows 98 operating system. Windows 98 operating system is what? Now 98 operating system re khali black and white screen thila. It is not having any kind of what graphical or visual appearance. It is not giving you the good look and feel. Okay, then Windows XP has come. XP रे टिके graphic user interface टिके अधिकार रहला. XP रू Vista asla, Windows Vista. Vista, from Vista, then we have Windows 7. From Windows 7 to the Windows 8 operating system, Windows 8 to Windows 10 operating system. So these are the different type of operating system we have. But if you compare Windows 7 to the Windows 8, all the functionality has not changed. ସବୁ functionality change ହେଇନି. सेठी भी Control C काम करथला, एठी भी हमर Control C काम करूछ. So Control C is used for copy the element. Means generalization is saying that you have the new functionality as well as you capture the old functionality also. मतलब जोटा new version आसे से किछि old version of feature टा निज पाखर रखे, आउ किछि निजर feature टा को भी से रखे. So that is called as what? Generalization. The generalization is what? Like it share the functionality or share the behavior to others. That is called the generalization. Utilization. Next we coming to the utilization. Utilization is what? Suppose most of you people are doing the online purchasing, online purchase system. In online purchase system, we have the bank, we have direct payment also. For giving payment, we're using the Flipkart is using bank details. Okay, suppose Flipkart ru ame kiछि jinsa kiniba जोटा कि ame EMI ru kiniba. EMI means in the monthly basis रे ame total पैसा जदि न दे पड़छे, monthly ame किछि पैसा देकी ame jinsa kiniba. So that your bank details will store or must store in Flipkart. So Flipkart doing the business by taking the help of bank UPI or bank application. So it is utilizing. We are utilizing cow for the milk. We utilize the tree for our food. That is a utilization relationship. One class is using another class for the work. That is called the utilization relationship. Next is called as the last point, instantiation relationship. Okay, suppose you are in your friend circle and your friend is finding your pen and asking, hey, pen ta kahar se pachare. Na eta mo pen, eta more bag. Instantiation relationship is what? Now relationship between a person and instance of that person. Bag is instance of the person. Your Aadhaar card is instance of your Aadhaar card is instance of yours. So it is identity of yours. So that is instantiation relationship. A relationship between the class and part of that class. Like ame jodi naba roll number, I would naba employee ID. We have the two class. One is employee, another is student. And we have the two information like roll number and employee ID. So here your employee ID is the instance of employee class, and roll number is the instance of student class. Employee ID is the instance of so employee ID is the instance of employee class, and here roll number is the instance of student class. The relationship between the object of the different classes, we can say it is a composition relationship, generalization relationship, utilization relationship, another is instantiation relationship. So 4 type of relationship we have. Sangeeta बुझ पाइलो? संगीता बुझेला तो? So next, based upon this relationship, our inheritance has come. Okay. So संगीता तुम्हें एक्सेप्ट करना कि वीडियो कॉल टा
हम आपको बोल रहे
हां
कॉलेज को
मो स्क्रीन दिखाऊ जी
आज्ञा देखा जाऊ
अच्छा ओके composition relationship, one object just a minute. So this one is the called as composition relationship.
देखा जाऊ ने पूरा ब्लैक अछि
दिखावला नहीं
ना सर पूरा ब्लैक डार्क अछि किछि भी देखा जाऊ